In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to place any YouTube video directly inside a Notion page, so it plays right where you need it, which is perfect for tutorials, reference clips, or team resources. First, head over to youtube.com, use the search bar to find the exact video you want to embed, open the video so you're on its watch page, and make sure it's the correct clip you want others to see. Now, right-click on the video player, a small menu will appear. From that menu, click Copy Video URL. This copies the direct link to your clipboard, and it's the link Notion will use to fetch and display the video. Next, go to notion.com, click Login and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace you want to work on, and then open the specific page where you'd like the YouTube video to appear. Make sure you have edit access to that page so you can add content. On the page, type the / key on your keyboard to open Notion's command menu. This is the quick way to add blocks without hunting through the interface. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see the option labeled video. Click that to insert a video block on the page. You'll now see options for your new video block. Click Embed Link. A field will appear asking for a URL. Paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into this field. Take a moment to check that the link looks like a standard YouTube URL, then click Embed Video. Notion will fetch the video and place an embedded player right on your page. Give it a second to load, and then you should see the video thumbnail and controls. You can press play to confirm it works. If anything doesn't load, double check that you pasted the full link and that the video is accessible on YouTube. That's all there is to it. You went to YouTube to copy the video URL, opened Notion and logged in, navigated to your workspace and page, used the / to find the video option, chose Embed Link, pasted the URL and clicked Embed Video. From here, you can add notes above or below the video to provide context such as why it's relevant or what viewers should pay attention to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.